mntanam ndibambe iwe fresh njani phezulu ligongo fondini
yule yes bafethu besomsonibone fondini ndibambile we
sunqama ndakubonisa ingane bizibeke profile picture ku WhatsApp
oh yeba fondini ndibambile we wena
nansi jonga nansi picture yayo
you le yes fresh le we fondini ingala fresh amakhaladi la yokuthi sizwambe ke zimatraseli fraya yes le kanti mesele chomi yayo fondini nokayisister wayo by now
sakufaka nja yami sibana wari
awe uyibambile we fondini we
jonga nansi sendivn
kaze ndive
jonga
Nothing much, Stixo. I'm probably just gonna chill and watch Netflix all day. Or if my friend comes, we will smoke a pipe. What about you?
Yeah. Hey, I chill with friend. No, and yes, I'm on here. Okay, can't even me. I chill with my chum. I chill with my chum now. I love you, girl. I was telling my friend. I chill with my chum. I chill with my chum now. I love you, girl. I was telling my friend.
You fondini yakuphukile kodwa kokustiki fondini yena ukubona English yakho fondini yaziflowela nje le we awuyabangena nje ya yes
wait.
Oh my word, that's so sweet. I like you too. You should put me on your WhatsApp status so that I can see you are serious about us then.
No problem. I do now, love. I do now, Scotty. No problem. I do now, love. I do now, Scotty. You yaxoka liwi izazibona yodwa. Kame ndio hide ababa nabayiviews status zami. Izazibona yodwa. Izazibona yodwa. Hey mntanam iyatsala siye bowling le weekend
hayi tsala bafethu yabona ndibambile we wena
ndibambile we